Hi there, and today we're going to have an Outlook email print options tutorial. So here I am in the Outlook login page, so let me just sign in my account. I'll just enter my email right here and my password. And then here is my Outlook account. And then for this part of the video, this will be applicable to the desktop version of Outlook and the new application of Outlook. So from here, if you want to print a specific email, you just need to click on it and then click on the three dots right here and then click on print. And then you will have this print options. So this will be the same print options if you are using the new Outlook application. So from here, you can choose the specific printer that you want to use, or you can save the email as a PDF. So first, let me just choose the printer, and then from here, you can choose if you want to print the odd pages only, the even pages only, or a custom. So for custom, you can insert the specific range of the page that you want to print, or you can just insert a single page. So for example, right here, if I only want to print the first page or the second page, so I'll just enter their number. So I want to print them all, and then from here you can also indicate the number of copies that you want to print, but I will just print one copy. And then for the layout, you can choose if you want it to be portrait or landscape. So it will look like that. And then you can also choose if you want to print it in black and white or in color. Then for more settings right here, you can choose the paper size. So letter, this is the short size bond paper. You can also choose the long size bond paper, which is legal. And then you can choose a bunch of different paper sizes right here as well. So I will just choose the short bond paper. Then you will choose the pages per sheet. You can also choose the margins. And then for the scale, so for example, right now it is in the default scale. But if I can choose a 80% scale, as you can see, the preview of the print will be smaller, like that. Then if I want to make it a single page, I can change the scale some more, and then now we only have a one page for the email. But I will keep it at the default scale, and then you can also choose if you want to include headers and footers. So as you can see, the headers and footers are gone if I don't select them. And then you can also choose background graphics if your email has a background graphic. And then if you want to print using the system dialog, you can just click on it, and then it will show these options right here. So this is the system dialog of my desktop, and then I can just go ahead and navigate the different print options. I can choose the paper quality, and then for the layout, the page order, and so on and so forth. And then I can also click advanced if I want to edit the more advanced printer options. And then, for example, if you are done editing the settings, you can go ahead and click on the print button, and then it will print immediately. If you want to save it as a PDF, you can just choose save as PDF, and then you can also change the layout and then some other settings right here, and then click on save. And then, for example, I'll save it right here, and then it will automatically be downloaded, and then it will open your default PDF application. And then now we can see the email is now in PDF form. So going back, if you are using the classic Outlook application, so I have it open right here, you can have some different print options. So from here, what you will do is go to File and then go to Print, and then you can see the print preview right here. You can also choose if you want the style of the print to be a table style, so it will look like this, or a memo style, so it will look like this. And then you can go ahead and also choose the specific printer that you want to use. So this one is if you want to save it as PDF, and then for this one is my printer. And then you can also click print options right here. And then you can also change the properties of your printer, like the paper quality, the layout, the advanced options. And then you can choose the number of pages, number of copies, the page range, and then you can also have the option to print the attached files. And then you can also click on preview to preview all of the settings that you change, so that it will be shown right here in the print preview. And then if you just want the default settings and then you want to print the email immediately, you can just right click and then click on quick print, and then it will just go ahead and print your email immediately using the default settings. And then if you want to print multiple emails, you can hold the control key on your keyboard. And then for example, like that, I chose this 4 emails. I can go ahead and go to File and then Print. And then since we have multiple emails that are selected, so we need to click on preview right here if we are choosing the memo style. And then we can see all of the print preview right here. And then if you choose table style, it will look like this. And then that is it. That is all of the print options if you are using the new version of Outlook or the classic version. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.